Hello, my name is Kristen, a new home guide here at Cresswind at Hammock Oaks, and I'm excited to give you a preview of brand new model homes today. We're located just about 3 miles from the Villages here in Lady Lake, Florida. This gated boutique community celebrates next generation active adult living through the award-winning new homes and amenities that are all coming soon. The 13 flexible floor plans here are designed specifically for the active adults, and with a minimum of 20 structural options per plan, you can personalize each plan to fit your unique needs and your tastes. Our models will show just a sampling of choices you'd have, but the possibilities are endless with Kolter Homes design and structural options available. We're putting final touches on these homes to get ready for the grand opening later this month, and things are really coming together nicely here. Let's go take a look. I love this great room in the Sarah model because it allows for family entertaining and gathering. Take a look at this owner's suite in our Jade model. It is so spacious and has a 4-foot extension versus our standard model. A unique feature in all of our models is the ability to add a bonus room. This is upstairs and can be customized to your liking. If you're interested, then we invite you to join the VIP list to receive more information about the floor plans, pricing, and much more. We'll see you at our grand opening at the end of the month.